Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you the easy step by step how to add two sidebars to your website. So you have one sidebar at the right and another one at the left so that you go from there. Let's get started. So alright guys, you want to add two on this website here. I want to add another sidebar to the left of the website. So I only have one website there at the right. So I want to add another one so that it will be one at the left and another one at the right, so we can navigate better. So to do that, we're going to go to the customize area. You can also go from the dashboard, but let's go from the customize at the top here. So click customize. So I'm using the general press theme so your theme are different from mine, and the way you customize are different. So here is where you're going to set up the sidebar of your website. So and the site identity, you can change the site identity of your website. You can change the site title. You can add tagline. And the layout is where we are going to change the sidebar. The color can be changed. Typography, the letters of your website, the text of your website, general setting here. You can do it here. Menus, you can adjust your menu here. Widget, you can adjust the widget here. Home page setting, you can tweak how your home page is gonna be at this settings here. And additional SSS. If you want additional SSS for your website, you can add it here, the code there. So here you want to add another sidebar to the left of this website here. So let's go to the layout. So here we want to go to the sidebars. Yeah. So the theme is using sidebar, content sidebar at the sidebar, at the layout, at the blog is using content sidebar, and single post is also content sidebar. So you want to change it to sidebar content sidebar, sidebar content sidebar. Where is it? So we're going to change this one also. Sidebar content sidebar. Then you change it to sidebar content sidebar. Then we've changed it to 2. So now we're going to hit publish at the top. So now that our website has been, we've added 2 sidebars to the website. Let's see how it looks like. So our website now looks great. And so we now have one sidebar at the right and another one at the left. So now let's say I want to add more stuff to the sidebar. Let's say I want to add more menu, more stuff to the sidebar. So here's how to do that. Let's go to the widgets area. So here is the right sidebar. At the right sidebar, let's say I want to add galleries to it. So to add something, you want to click this plus here. So let's say I want to add search box. So let's say I want to add this search here. Just click that, and yeah, it has been added. Now let's go to the left sidebar. Let's add something to the left also. I'm going to hit this thing also as well. Yeah, it's that add block. So let's say I want to add tag. And that is it. Tag has been added. Now that you're finished, you want to hit update. So now our website has been updated. So now let's look at this, how it is in real life. So the tag is in there, the categories is in there, the search is in there, and the search is in there on the side, both the sidebar. So that's how you add 2 sidebars into your website. So guys, if you have any question, if you have anything to say about this video, or you have what you don't like or what you like about this video, let me know down below. Subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.